G'day! So in today's video I'm just going to have a bit of a chat about trackpads on laptops. Specifically gaming laptops. I've always found them to always have issues. So main game I play is FPSs, and what I would typically get when I'm playing is that the mouse would just either lock up and then go super quick. And it doesn't matter what brand of laptop I've had, they've all done it. Everything that I've heard about always says about how wonderful trackpads are. I find as soon as you seem to be playing an FPS, it just turns to crap. So I'm going to try and replicate that just playing Counter-Strike Global Offensive with bots, and I'm not sure why it does it. It's done it for as long as I can remember, ever since even laptops in the year 2000 were doing this, and now we're year 2021, and we've still got laptops doing this. So let's see if we can replicate that. So right now, look around, everything's all good. I've missed the buy period. There we go. Even just then. So I'll try and do big exaggerated looks, but it briefly just locks up, and then I might move my finger and it'll just do nothing at all. I'm not sure if it's the left click or the right click, whether or not it's tapping the buttons, the mouse 1, mouse 2, that cause it, but it always happens. And it usually happens multiple times in a single game. So for example, I'm going to look up to the right. We're good. No, still good. Nope, I'll get out of here. No one up there. And there we go. I can't look to the left. And now all of a sudden I can. My finger is, I would say, a little bit sweaty as I am in front of a heater, but as you can see, it's locking up on me, where using a mouse, we're perfectly fine. So I don't know what it is with the trackpad that is always stopping it. You're always getting new drivers, you're getting new stuff going on with it, but I've forever had that issue. So essentially, if I don't have a mouse, I can't play an FPS, which is just a joke. If anyone has any suggestions as to why that is, I am curious that if the trackpad was a separate one with left click and right click, whether or not that will make much of a difference at all. But I don't think that's really going to change anything, as I have had laptops in the past with it separated, and it would still just lock up as I'm looking around. So, any suggestions, leave them in the comments. I'm curious why this is an issue in 2021, and I'll catch you guys later. Bye.